Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between financial forecasting and financial modeling. Financial forecasting and financial modeling are two important financial planning tools used by businesses, investors, and financial analysts. Financial forecasting focuses on predicting future financial performance based on historical data and trends, whereas financial modeling creates a detailed mathematical representation of a business to analyze various scenarios and support decision-making. Let us explore the major differences between these two concepts. Number 1. Financial forecasting focuses on predicting future financial outcomes, whereas financial modeling focuses on representing a business and analyzing different scenarios. Number 2. Financial forecasting generally provides a single best estimate of future results, whereas financial modeling provides multiple scenario-based outcomes. Number 3. Financial forecasting mainly looks toward the future, whereas financial modeling can analyze past, present, and future performance. Number 4. Financial forecasting is usually based on historical data and trends, whereas financial modeling is based on multiple inputs, assumptions, and variables. Number 5. Financial forecasting is less detailed and less granular, whereas financial modeling is highly detailed and granular. Number 6. Financial forecasting is relatively inflexible once prepared, whereas financial modeling is highly flexible and allows easy adjustment of assumptions. Number 7. Financial forecasting is usually prepared for internal planning purposes, whereas financial modeling is used for both internal analysis and external presentations. Number 8. Financial forecasting is commonly used for budgeting and performance tracking, whereas financial modeling is used for decision-making and strategic analysis. Number 9. Financial forecasting is generally prepared for short to medium-term periods such as monthly, quarterly, or annual forecasts, whereas financial modeling can be used for both short-term and long-term analysis. Number 10. Financial forecasting uses relatively simple methods such as averages, trends, and percentages, whereas financial modeling uses complex formulas, calculations, and logical relationships. Number 11. Financial forecasting requires lower cost and time to prepare, whereas financial modeling requires higher cost, effort, and maintenance. Number 12. Financial forecasting may have lower accuracy in uncertain environments, whereas financial modeling can provide higher accuracy when supported by robust assumptions. Number 13. Financial forecasting has limited capability to test different situations, whereas financial modeling allows extensive scenario and sensitivity analysis. Number 14. Financial forecasting typically produces projected financial statements such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, whereas financial modeling produces dynamic reports, valuation outputs, and dashboards. Number 15. Financial forecasting is usually prepared by finance and planning teams, whereas financial modeling requires advanced Excel, analytical, and modeling skills. Key takeaway: financial forecasting tells you where a business is likely to go in the future, whereas financial modeling helps you understand how and why different outcomes may occur, enabling better financial and strategic decisions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.